Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down along the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today, what we're going to do for you is an epic burger collaboration. Now, Kenneth Cunningham come up with the idea at What's New Barbecue, and each of us is going to come up with an epic burger. So, I can't wait to see what the other guys are doing. So, and here's the other channels that are involved. Go check them out. Their links will be in the description box. Hit show more. It's the Real Show BBQ out in North Carolina, Cooking with CJ, What's New Barbecue, Kirby's FishnGrill, and myself. All links will be in the description box. Like I said, hit show more. And Miss Katie is going to be patting down some hamburgers for me. But we're going to go ahead and I'll tell you one of the ingredients is going to be Michael Petrie's the Blackening Seasoning, which is awesome. I can't wait to try it. Now the burger I'm going to do is a little off topic. It's a little weird. Not sure how I'm going to like it, but I'm sure because I'm a big guy, I love it. So stick with us and we'll get this show started. The burger looks good to me. The peanut butter's got me a little wowed. How juicy that burger is. I like my burger pink. So let's go ahead and get in here. That's different. Well, I can't complain. That tastes pretty good, babe.
Love it.
The bacon, the blackening seasoning, the peanut butter, I can taste every element of this burger. Wow. Guys, it's simple. And I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Hit show more. Guys, this was fun. By now you should have seen all of the other guys' videos. They provide the link. Guys, I'm glad you guys asked me to, be part of this. And I can't rave about this. This is the peanut butter bacon cheeseburger. Give it a try. And guys, this was great. So we're gonna get to eating. And all my social media links will be in the description box. Hit show more. All my affiliate links down in the description box. Hit show more. All the guys that were involved in this, all the channels, all their links will be in the description box. Guys, share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.